Hi everyone, my name is Patricia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. I'm very happy today to reveal my Sophia Webster Chiara. Many celebrities have been spotted wearing them, like Taylor Swift, Mariah Carey, Nicole Scherzinger, Britney Spears, and finally me. In this video, I'm going to unbox, mud shot, and tell you my thoughts about these shoes. So let's get started. This is the box, pale pink, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, I bought these shoes from Farfetch, so I have the receipt, little card that says metallic leather and gives you instruction to take care of the shoes. Dust bag, Sophia Webster, and fabric seems very soft. So here, packaging is impressive. So here is my very iconic Sophia Webster Chiara. This has pink, yellow, orange, blue sole, and this suede black strap. These butterflies don't make the heels heavy at all. They are very light. Sophia made Chiaras in different style. They have shorter heel, pointy heel, have in leather, and also in embroidery. "3D butterflies. Very colorful, feminine, and girly. I just love these shoes. There are two little extra thing for heels. For this, you see the little cute heart thing in here. Very crafty. It's a piece of art. Oh, by the way, they are made in Brazil. They look comfy, by the way. There is cushion here. I like to use this padding to wear my high heels because they support your feet very nicely. So I will put this in here, and okay, so this is not permanent because you can remove it and wear it for different shoes. Now it is more cushiony, more comfortable. Note: they run small, so you have to buy half a size bigger if you have a narrow feet, and if you have wider feet, then you have to buy a whole size bigger. I am 36.5, so I bought 37. Oh, one more thing, that is, if you go to Saks and Neiman Marcus, they don't carry in store, so you have to buy them online. So make sure you buy correct size. I'm in bigger size than yours. And finally, it's time for mud shot. So I loved wearing these shoes. They look so beautiful. I love them. I'd give 4 out of 5 for comfy because they're very potty heel, and of course 4 is a good number, right? Overall, I like this and I think they're worth to buy. I do recommend this. And you have to be a little bit careful when you walk on them first time because the cute little butterflies are gonna scratch next to each other, and you don't want to ruin your shoes. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next. Bye!